Year 4 has chosen the theme of celebrating differences in our worship.
Up the Blues! No way, Villa are the best.
I like Sprouts.
You can give me ice cream any day.
I'm really good at maths.
My special talent is PE.
Oh God, the Wissy. Kate family's from Latvia. She just said, "Hi, how are you?"
In the Bible, Peter reminds us that as Christians, we are all special and unique in our own way. He encourages us to embrace this individual identity, seeing it as a gift from God, and to use it as a means of serving others and spreading the word of Christ.
In the UK, there is so much diversity. Diverse population leads to a range of different identities.
Identities are unique to each person based on their background and interest. For example, there are religious identities and identities based on their age and gender too.
It's important that everybody's treated equally. We're a lucky country to live with so much diversity.
Metres, Paul. And here comes Ellie Simmonds now. There's 15 metres to go. She has a lead of about 2 or 3 metres. Surely there is no one can catch Ellie Simmonds. Ellie Simmonds on her way to gold. It's going to be a fantastic gold medal. Ellie Simmonds takes gold in a world record time. It's gold again for Simmonds. She retains her Paralympic title and she is the first SM6 swimmer under the 3-minute mark. Absolutely fantastic for Ellie Simmonds.
Well, it was such a dominating swim, and look, well, I think for the first time a big smile there from Ellie Simmonds.
Tell me how much this gold medal means to you.
I don't think it's sunk in yet. I don't know what I feel like. It was a hard race, really tough. I'm so happy to go under 3 minutes. I knew it was in there. Really happy. It hasn't sunk in yet.
Local hero Ellie Simmonds had used her differences to inspire others.
Ellie has a condition called dwarfism, which is a medical condition that affects your height and in particular the length of your arms and legs. Your arms and legs are shorter, your torso is a normal height. Ellie's own mother gave her up because of her dwarfism.
When Ellie has competed abroad, she has had to put up with people staring and gawping at her. In China, people used to whisk their cameras out and take a photo of her just because she is different.
Yet, Ellie has gone to win countless medals around the world and is a role model for thousands of young sports people. Her love for the Paralympics and what it can achieve as a shining light in the sports.
Could you have ever imagined that you would one day become England's most capped rugby player?
Never in a million years, honestly. I think I just wanted one cap. I just wanted to play for England, and I've loved it so much, and I've kept hanging on and kept persevering, and it's like an addiction. Like the pride that it is to play for your country. The flame inside me is still burning so strong.
Scrum really well formed. It's Hunter at the back. Hunter controlling Hunter. Deft with her feet. Hunter. There it is for the captain.
What a tense test this is going to be of this English defence. Ball's been lost out. Right in front. England survive. Rowland gets it away.
Have a look at number 20. This is Sarah Hunter. It's not just the tackle, but it's the choice of tackle. Sends her opposite number backwards and rips the ball. That is a huge moment with 8 minutes to go.
When Sarah Hunter was a girl, she didn't even know England had a women's team. Girls who wanted to play rugby were laughed at and made to play netball or do dance and gymnastics. Sarah's aspirations were a little different though, and she worked hard towards her goal.
When Sarah Hunter started to play rugby for England, the women's team didn't have their own union and were not allowed to wear the rose on their kit like men do. Now the England women's team are known as the Red Roses, and they are fully integrated into the England Rugby Football Union.
Her first match was in front of a few hundred people, but now she's competing in front of 10,000 passionate fans and travels the world to play against other women just as passionate as her.
We may have the same eyes, but I use mine differently. We may have the same heart, but I use mine differently. I'm different because I do things differently. I'm different because I wear things differently. I may stand out differently in many ways, and I love being different. I am different.
Dare to be different, dare to be different, to stand out among a crowd. Don't be afraid to let your voice be heard, scream it out loud. When others try to tear you down, share the love that you have found. Stand up for what you know is right, don't back down when you need to fight. Love with your heart and not with your head, don't let those 3 little words go unsaid. Be a shoulder to lean on, but not a doormat to be walked on. Enjoy what you have for as long as it lasts. Embrace your future and forget your past.
Dear Lord, thank you for making us all unique. Open my eyes so I can admire others. Let me shine in my own special way. Let others see me and who I am. Help me to be brave and walk my own path. Give me courage and pride and confidence too. When darkness falls, guide me on my way. Bless all of us, whoever we are. Amen.